Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Windows 10 or 11 and enough disk space. Install Python 3, 10 Plus or Anaconda so Jupyter installs cleanly. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator and run Python version and pip version to verify. If using Anaconda, skip pip and use conda info. Now install Jupyter. Run pip install Jupyter Lab or conda install c conda forge Jupyter Lab. This begins the environment setup and prevents permission and path issues later. You now create and activate an isolated environment to keep packages tidy. Run Python mvenv, venv and then venv \scripts \activate or use conda create and conda activate. Next, install ipykernel and the libraries you need. Pip install ipykernel numpy pandas matplotlib, then python m ipykernel install username equals myenv. Once done, launch Jupyter Lab with Jupyter Lab so the kernel appears. Make sure to save notebooks in a project folder to avoid path confusion and version. You finish by launching Jupyter and verifying kernel's run cell code without errors. Use the token URL printed in PowerShell or click the Automatic Browser tab, then create a new notebook and test imports. Save often and export when finished. If the kernel won't start, make sure your activated environment is correct, reinstall ipykernel, and check path variables. As a quick fix, restart the server, clear browser cache, or run Jupyter Troubleshoot to collect diagnostic info and resolve environment conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.